Let's safely raise and support the vehicle, and then we're going to remove our wheel. Now that we have the wheel off, let's go ahead and remove our sway bar link. Move along to removing this from the strut. There we are. Now let's remove this bolt right here. Pull this stuff off of there, set it aside. All right, the next thing that we need to do is go ahead and remove our mounting bolts that hold our knuckle to the strut itself. Carefully tap these out of here. Separate the two. The next thing we need to do is back up on top. We're going to remove these 3 mounting nuts. Keep in mind that those are the only 3 things that are holding the strut into the vehicle. Definitely don't touch this center nut. Leave that one on a little bit. Now I'm going to come through the wheel well, hold up on my strut, remove my last nut up there, and carefully draw this out through the wheel well. There it is, friends. The next thing we want to do is put our brand new strut in here. What I like to use is a little bit of red thread locker, and I'll also put my nuts that I'm going to be using up top so they're ready for me. Back inside the wheel well, let's get ready to put our knuckle into the strut. Watch out for that ABS wire, obviously. Let's bottom these out. All right, now we're going to torque this to 214 foot-pounds. Let's get this in here. Now we'll get this on. Get your little tab, push it in, just like that. Take your brake hose, slide it over the top, start in your bolt, snug it up. Let's get the sway bar link in here. Okay, that's bottomed out. Now we're going to go ahead and torque this to 55 foot-pounds. Now let's get the wheel on. With the wheel just barely touching the ground so it can't spin, let's go ahead and torque these lug nuts, 76 foot-pounds. Torqued. Let's get all the weight of the vehicle on the ground. Okay, so now let's bottom these out, and then we're going to torque them to 63 foot-pounds. Okay, the process would be the same for the other side of the vehicle, and also you want to make sure you get yourself in alignment.